What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ria Cienne, and for those of you all that are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me because I thought it would be something fun to do, especially since I don't really do my makeup, so I want to see how this kind of goes and see what goes down in this video today. So let's get started. So anytime whenever I decide to do my makeup, I always start with my eyebrows I always start with my eyebrows first. I see a lot of people don't really do that first, but I just feel like if I don't do that first, everything's not gonna go the way it should. Because the hardest thing to do on this face is get a shape for whatever these things are attached to my face. If you didn't see my last video, this is what I use, Ardell. I got this from CVS because it works just as good as Anastasia and all those other expensive things. I promise this isn't a plate. Oh, sorry, it's really dirty. Oh, hi there. You look good, whoever you are. Anyway, why couldn't I have been born with a nice amount of hair, enough to go get a wax or thread or something? Thanks to Father. I had to put this on because my hair kept poking this eye and it was annoying AF. Another reason why I usually don't do makeup is because it takes me like 15 to 30 minutes to do my eyebrows. So I would never have time to get a full face of makeup on. But today, I've got nothing to do, so yeah. The last time I went to get my eyebrows waxed, the lady waxed off literally everything I owned. I swear I walked out of there looking like Mona Lisa. Anyway, so the next thing I usually do after I get done with my eyebrows is foundation. When I do makeup, I don't usually like cake on like all these different layers that people usually do. I couldn't name them for you because I don't know. So the foundation that I use is Bare Minerals Cardamom 23. I got this from Sephora like 2 or 3 years ago. That's how you know I don't wear makeup, because I still got a decent amount in there. Decent amount. I used to use this foundation, Maybelline foundation, but it made my skin really like oily, and I always looked dirty after like maybe an hour or so, an hour or 2 hours. It looked like I had just come from the gym. Like, this is literally my favorite. Just a little dab-a-do-ya, and just, you know. So now I'm going to use CoverGirl concealer. Almost said foundation. I don't think it really makes a difference, but I just use it anyway because I wanted to feel like a makeup guru. How do I look? So since I'm doing this, I'm definitely gonna find somewhere to go today because I don't like sitting at home anyway. I like to be doing something, so this is really fun. I actually feel like I'm getting somewhere. What is this? Okay, I think that looks better than what it was doing. What I like about this most, the concealer and the foundation part, makes my skin look like what is this real? I usually have clear skin, but my skin has been breaking out for like the past couple of weeks, and I really don't know what's happening. So I've been trying to treat it. I mean, it's going away. It's getting better. But now it just looks like, hello. Next, I'm going to do some eyeshadow. I don't even really need to do eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna do it just because I like it. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe 350 Nature Glow. Look at those sexy, yummy colors. So the colors I usually use when I'm doing my eyes are this one with a mixture of this one, I think. I'm not really sure. I kind of just like, I like to experiment different colors. Since there's so many colors, why discriminate? I was taught to love one another, and so I shall. I bought this online, this 20 set brush thing, and I only use about 3 of the brushes because I don't know what the rest of the brushes are for. So I'm going to figure out, I'm really going to learn how to do actual makeup so I can use all these brushes so they won't go to waste, because that would just be a waste of money. And I bought it because I wanted to learn. So I'm gonna learn one of these days. I'm gonna need somebody to teach me. Maybe I'll do a video with someone. Maybe I'll do a video on that and have like someone come teach me all these beautiful, unique brushes and what they're about. I don't even know what to talk about right now. I wish I had something to discuss so you all wouldn't just sit here and just watch me and just put on makeup. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have something to talk about the next time. I haven't had anything to eat today, and I've been awake for like maybe 4 hours now. I kind of want a donut, but then again, I shouldn't eat a donut. I don't usually use blush, so I don't own blush, but like if I ever do blush, I use the Morphe palette because it still works, it still looks good, okay? It's okay. Like I said, I don't really do makeup, so but it still works. You can't even tell that it's eyeshadow on my cheek, so and as for the highlighter, I use the same Morphe palette for that as well. This one right here, and it looks so good. So it's like a 3-in-1 and a save on money. Like I said, broke on a budget, baby. Oh, the disrespect is at an all-time high, y'all. Oh shit! Oh shit! What did I do to deserve this? I just unwrapped this brush. I want my money back. Now the mascara that I use is L'Oreal Paris Telescopic. I really love this mascara because I don't have long eyelashes, but this really accentuates the lash that I have. So I've been using this for like 3 years now. I used to wear eyeliner, but due to my unbearable nervousness, when it's time to put it on my eye, it just did not look well. whatsoever. It looks like I was taking a lie detector test and someone had just glued one of the machines to my eye. Now for lips. Oh, sorry. I kind of just want to like do something like natural, low-key. I'm actually gonna do a color because the lipstick
Right
part.
now, SM Con are tied with Stade Rennes FC 1-1 at 44 minutes and 9 seconds in the first half.
Thank you, Alexa. I didn't call for you, but thank you. Anyway, back to what I was saying before I was interrupted. I'm just gonna do like a cute color lip because the lip part is just for fun, and I can wipe it off and just do my natural lips when I go out. So the colors I usually like to use when I do lipstick, I love red, but I think I'm gonna do like one of these cute colors. Yeah. Yeah, so this is my final look. I am actually really impressed with how this came out. I'm so proud of myself. I want to start doing makeup more so I can get better at it, so I can know what people usually use and what goes on your face and all that extra good stuff. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this in the future, comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video soon. Thought I'd get up and step into the light so you can kind of see if I look like a monster or not.